Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best handheld label maker. These compact devices are often sleek and simple, hence, anyone can use them without any complications. Here is my list of the ultimate handheld label makers that will ensure a trouble-free service for you. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best handheld label maker. Number 1. DYMO Letratag LT100H Handheld Label Maker. DYMO Letratag LT100H Handheld Label Maker for office or home. You can pick different font sizes and styles to personalize your tags according to your preference. The lightweight and compact construction makes it portable. Though the LCD screen is not that large, it will show you all the necessary information in detail. The keyboard of this gadget is super simple. Hence, anyone can make their desired design pretty effortlessly. Number 1. DYMO Letratag LT100H Handheld Label Maker. This DYMO 280 label maker is one of the most excellent devices you can get. This gadget is loaded with all the advanced features you can expect from a high-end label maker despite being inexpensive. You can connect the label maker with your PC or smartphone using Bluetooth. Designed with tons of clip arts, symbols, and fonts for easy customizations. Hence, if you want to get the best DYMO label maker, you can think about buying this one. Number 3. NIIMBOT 2021 D11 Handheld Label Maker. Label Maker Machine NIIMBOT 2021 D11 Portable Wireless Connection Label Printer. This tiny device is yet loaded with all the highly developed features to ensure top-notch service users. 1200 mAh rechargeable battery allows you to work for longer hours. Has a vast collection of symbols, fonts, and styles for making your tag unique. Even though this gadget is made with all the features you need for a breezy label making session, it won't cost you any bulky checks. Number 4. Brady BMP 21 Plus Handheld Label Maker. Brady BMP 21 Plus labeling machine with rubber bumpers. The product is specially designed to take over the toughest industrial worksite labeling jobs. Heavy-duty built, perfect for industrial use and construction sites. It will also offer you 6 font sizes with multiple line print options. As a result, it is just perfect for the identification of wires, datacoms, circuit boxes, and other hardware labelings. Number 5. Brother PTH 110 Handheld Label Maker. This PTH 110 tag maker by Brother PTouch is one of the most promising devices. You will get multiple fonts, styles, and symbols, so you can make a unique sticker by following your creative prowess. Comes with extra strong adhesives to make the sticker durable. From home to industrial use, this label maker is perfect for any purpose. One of the most admirable qualities of these tags is that they come with extra strong adhesives to make them stickier.